Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss a new exercise that is exercise 10.2 and question number first. Look at the given map of a city and then answer the following. Here the map of a city is given and this is symmetry. This block is symmetry and this is the hospital. This is the library, this is the city college, and these are the road A. This is the police station, this is the Gandhi road, this one. This is the locality, this is the Nehru road, this is the market, and this is the city college. Now this is the fire station, this is the primary school, this is the locality, and this is the community center. This is senior secondary school, this is city park, this is bus depot, this is lake, this is water plant, and these all are given here. And this is the Shastri road, and this is the map of a city is given, and some questions are given. We have to answer and we have to do as in the question given in the question. Now question number A. Color the map as follows. Blue, water. So here lake, in lake there are water. So here we have to color the lake by blue color. Okay. So here we have to color the lake part, this part, by the blue color. Now red, fire station. The red color to fire station. So this is fire station. We have to color this block to the red color. Now the next one is orange, library. So here library is this block is library. So we have to color this block by the orange color. Now yellow, schools. So there are two schools, primary schools and senior secondary schools. So we have to color schools by yellow color. So primary school this block and senior secondary school this block. There are two blocks of schools. We have to color these two blocks by yellow color. The next one is green, park. So where is the park? This is the city park. So this block where city park is present, we have to color by the green color, city park. It's very simple. Now the next one is pink, college. So here city college is present. So this block we can color by the pink, because it is given here pink college. So city college can color by the pink color. Now the next one is purple, hospital. So here hospital block is present. So we have to color this block by the purple color. Now the next one is brown, symmetry. So this is symmetry. This block is symmetry. So we have to color the symmetry block by the brown color. Now these are the solution of question number A. Now the next question, that is question number B. Mark a green X at the intersection of road C and Nehru road. The intersection of road C and Nehru road, we have to mark X sign by the green color. So here we have to find where is the intersection of road C and Nehru road. So this is road C, this one is road C, this is written here road C. So this is road C and Nehru road. Where is Nehru road? This one is Nehru road, and this is the intersection of road C and Nehru road. So here we have to draw a sign of X by green color. So this is X. We have to draw X by the green color at the intersection of road C and Nehru Road. Now the next one is green Y at the intersection of Gandhi Road and Road A. Gandhi Road and Road A. So this is Road A and this is Gandhi Road. This one is Gandhi Road. Road A and Gandhi Road intersection is this. So here we have to write the sign of Y at the intersection of Road A and Gandhi Road. This is Y. And we have to mark sign Y here from the green color. So this is Y. And this point is the intersection of Gandhi Road and Road A. Now, the next question, that is question number C. In red, draw a short street route from library to the bus depot. Library, this is the library and this is the bus depot. Here we have to find the short way or short road to arrive here, library to bus depot. So there are lots of roads to, so library to bus depot. So we can go through this road. We can go through this road also. And we can go through this road also. Or we can go through this road also. So we have to find the shortest road to library to the bus depot. From library to the bus depot. So this is the very shortest road. This one. So this is the answer. And this road is the shortest road between library to bus depot. Now the next question, that is question number D. Which is further east, the city park or the market? First of all we have to know that the direction of, so this is the north, this is the east, this is the west, this is the north, this is the south. East, west, north, south. And the question is given, which is the further east, the city park or the market? So this is the east. Further east means far away from the east. So city park, this is city park, and market, this is market. Which is far away from the east? Market is far away from the east. So market is the answer. Answer is market. Similarly, question number E. Which is further south, the primary school or the senior secondary school? This is south, and further south means far away. So south, this is primary school and this is senior secondary school. Which is far away? Primary school is the far away from the south direction. So primary school is the answer. Primary school. This is the explanation of exercise 10.2. Here the question number 2, second, third, fourth is also given. This is the activity actually. Now this is the complete explanation of exercise 10.2. In next part, or you can say in next, we will discuss exercise 10.3. Now exercise 10.3. Before starting this exercise, we are going to discuss some basic facts or basic definitions. What is polyhedron? Simply, the polyhedron are those solid shapes whose edges are a straight line. Like this, these are polyhedrons. This is a solid structure whose edges are a straight line like this. All the edges of this solid are a straight line. Simply, these are the examples of polyhedrons. and these solids which are not polyhedrons, because these solids has a shape which has edges which is not a straight line. Let's see, this is a cylinder whose edges are circular. This is a sphere whose edges are circular, and this is the cone whose edges are also circular. So these are the not polyhedrons, and these are the polyhedrons whose edges are straight lines. Simply you can see here these solid shapes has edges which is straight line. Now the next question arises here, how many types of polyhedron? Simply polyhedron of two types, prism and pyramids. Simply prism are those type of polyhedron whose base is same as the top of the solid. So the base of this prism is a rectangle, and the top of this prism is also rectangle. So these are the prism. Similarly, the base of this solid is a triangle, and the top of these solid are also triangle. That's why it's a prism. The second type of polyhedron is pyramid. So the second one is pyramids. The base of these type of solids is meet at a point. When we extend the vertices, extend the line from the vertices, from all the vertices, the lines meet at a point. That means the opposite of base is a point. Similarly, this is a triangle, and when we extend the vertices, then the edges meet at a point. Simply the pyramids are those whose bases meet at the edges of vertices meet at a point. The very simple difference is that the opposite of base is same as a top, and in pyramids the opposite of base is a point. Simply we can say. So what we have studied? We have studied polyhedrons. Polyhedrons are those solids whose edges are a straight line, and those solids which edges are not straight line is not polyhedron. Simply, how many types of polyhedron? Prism and pyramids. Prism has base is same as a top, and in pyramids base is the opposite of base is a point. Simply these are the basic definitions. Now come to the exercise. Question number 1. Can polyhedron have for its faces first 3 triangles? The question is given here. Can polyhedron have for its faces 3 triangles makes polyhedron or not? So the answer is simply not. By 3 triangular faces we cannot draw a polyhedron, because if we see the figure, so this is a polyhedron, and there are one base. We can see like this. This is a base which is triangular shape, and there are 1, 2, and this third one is back side, and fourth one. No, there are 3 triangles and 1 base. By 4 triangular faces we can draw a pyramid. Simply, that's why by 3 triangular faces we cannot draw a polyhedron. Now next, 4 triangles. 4 triangular faces we can draw a polyhedron or not? Simply it is possible, because see here, if we see the figure, this is a polyhedron. So the base is a triangular shape. First triangle, second, third, and fourth one is the back side. So there are 4 triangular faces which makes a polyhedron. That's why if 4 triangular faces are there, we can draw a polyhedron. Second one, we can write yes, it is possible to draw a polyhedron by 4 triangular faces. Now the question number 3. A square and 4 triangles. Is it possible to draw a polyhedron by a square face and 4 triangular faces? So we can write yes, it is possible, because just look this figure. This is a polyhedron. This is a square shape. Base is square surface, and there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangular faces. So we can draw a polyhedron by a square and 4 triangular faces. Simply yes, we can write. Now question number 2. Is it possible to have a polyhedron with any given number of faces? Simply we can write yes, it is possible, but only if the number of faces are greater or equal to 4. If there are 4 or more than 4 faces, we can draw a polyhedron. But it is not possible to draw a polyhedron with 3 or less than 3 faces. Now question number 3. Which are prisms among the following? Simply, first a nail is given, a base is a circular, and top is a corner. That's why it's not a prism, it's look like a pyramid. So question number 2, unsharpened pencil. The base is a hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are there, and opposite to this base a hexagon is also present here because it is unsharpened pencil. That's why it's a prism. Yes, it's a prism. Second is a prism. Now third one, a table weight. A base is a square shape, and opposite to the base a corner is placed here, a point is placed here. That means it's not a prism, it's a pyramid. Now the next one, question number 4. A box. A box is given here. The base of the box is a square, and opposite to the base a square shape figure is also present. That's why it's a prism. So it is the complete solution up to question number 3. In next we will discuss rest of the questions. In next video we will discuss rest of the questions. Thank you so much, students. If you have any problem and doubt, you can message in the WhatsApp group, or you can comment in the comment box. Thank you so much, students.